Morning Secrets of Healthy Seniors. Age gracefully after 60. Have you ever seen a 70-year-old who walks like they're 40, laughs like they're 25, and wakes up with more energy than most people in their 30s? You wonder, what's their secret? It's not luck. It's not expensive supplements. It's the little things they do every single morning. Habits so simple that anyone can do them, but so powerful that they completely change how your body and mind age. So today, we're diving into the morning secrets of healthy seniors, real science-backed rituals that help men and women over 60 wake up strong, move gracefully, think clearly, and truly enjoy life. And if you stay till the end, you'll discover a single 5-second morning habit that doctors say can reduce your risk of heart disease, dementia, and fatigue, all at once. Let's begin. 1. The wake-up moment. Reprogramming your mind for youth. Every healthy senior starts their day with one thing: intention. Before their feet even touch the floor, they take a few deep breaths and smile. It sounds small, but here's why it matters. That simple act of smiling sends signals to your brain that say, "I'm safe, I'm alive, I'm ready." It triggers dopamine and serotonin, your happiness chemicals, helping you wake up calmer and more positive. Most people over 60 wake up thinking about their pain, their medicines, or yesterday's worries. But the healthiest ones? They start by thinking of gratitude. Just 30 seconds of gratitude changes your brain's chemistry. It lowers morning cortisol, the stress hormone, and sets the tone for a peaceful, energized day. Try this tomorrow. Before you get out of bed, take 3 deep breaths and say quietly to yourself, "I'm grateful for another morning. My body is working for me. I'm alive, and I will move with grace today." That's your first secret. The day doesn't begin when you get out of bed. It begins before that. 2. The first glass of life. Hydration for longevity. Here's something most people forget. After 7-8 hours of sleep, your body is dehydrated. Your blood is thicker, your brain is slower, and your joints are stiffer. The healthiest seniors start their morning with what they call the first glass of life. It's not coffee, it's water, but not just any water. They make it functional. A glass of warm water with a squeeze of lemon or a pinch of pink salt. Why? Because lemon activates digestion and supports liver detox, while salt replenishes electrolytes lost overnight. This small ritual helps your metabolism wake up naturally. Here's what happens in your body when you drink that first glass of water. Your cells absorb oxygen better. Your heart pumps easier. Your brain fog lifts. And in just 10 minutes, you feel younger. If you make this one change, replacing morning coffee with warm lemon water, you'll notice your digestion, energy, and skin all improve within a week. 3. The secret stretch. The 3-minute mobility flow. Now let's talk about movement, the real fountain of youth. Have you ever noticed that children stretch instinctively when they wake up? Cats do it, dogs do it, and so do healthy seniors. They don't jump straight into the day. They ease their body awake. Experts call this the 3-minute mobility flow. Here's what it looks like. 1. Neck rolls. Slowly roll your head side to side, releasing stiffness. 2. Shoulder circles. Loosen those joints that tend to freeze overnight. 3. Ankle rotations, vital for balance and blood flow. 4. Spine twists. Gently twist left and right while seated. 5. Deep forward fold. Reach toward your toes, or just your knees, letting your spine elongate. This 3-minute sequence does more than stretch muscles. It wakes up your lymphatic system, your body's natural cleansing network, helping flush out toxins. Healthy seniors know that if you can move in the morning, you can move all day. And if you can move all day, you stay young no matter your age. 4. Sunlight and soul, the power of early light. Next comes one of the most underrated secrets of graceful aging: morning sunlight. Studies show that people over 60 who get at least 10 minutes of sunlight before 9 a.m. have better sleep quality, lower blood pressure, and stronger bones. That's because early sunlight triggers your body to produce serotonin, the feel-good hormone, which later converts to melatonin at night, improving your sleep rhythm. But there's also something spiritual about it. When you stand by your window or step into your garden, feel the sunlight on your face. You're not just soaking in light. You're telling your body, It's a new day. I belong to this world. One senior I interviewed said, "Every morning I go to my balcony, close my eyes and let the sun touch my eyelids. It feels like my soul is charging." That's not poetry. That's biology and peace working together. 5. The power of purpose. A morning.